Joshna. I am Chaitanya. I am grateful that I stand in front of you with some amazing observations. The science hidden behind some of our traditions. So friends, we are here to introduce Siddhartha and Mokshagya to give us some information about the significance of our respected tradition of greeting each other with Namaste. Namaste Mahidar Garu, how do you do? We are all fine, thank you. Mokshagya, please come here. Mahidar uncle has come to our house. Read him Namaste. Namaste uncle, how do you do? Namaste, I am fine. I have come to invite your family to our household function next week. Bye Siddhu Garu. Dad, why did you ask me to say Namaste? Instead of shaking hands, when we join our hands together, the tips of our fingers touch a point which is known to be the pressure point for our eyes, ears and mind. Pressing them together activates the pressure point which help us to remember that person for a long time and can avoid the spread of germs through physical contact which may happen during the handshake. Now that it is so much science behind Namaste. Yes, Joshna, it's a wonderful practice. Let us get some information about Sunamaskar from Kavya and Sushilski. Surya Namaskar is the first thing which a common religious Hindu does when he or she wakes up in the morning. Surya Namaskar means greeting the sun, which is the most important source of energy for life on earth. Surya Namaskar means bending towards the sun and performing 12 steps of asanas. Benefits of performing Surya Namaskar. We get vitamin D from morning sunrise, which keeps our bones strong performing. It helps in reducing blood sugar levels. It helps in improving the function of our digestive system and brings glow on the face and keeps us active throughout the day. Thank you. Most of the Hindu households have a tulsi plant and people worship it every day after taking a bath. Now let's lend our ears to Deepi and Danyashri for some more information. So I am performing a puja to the tulsi plant. Why do we worship this plant? Are there any benefits? Tulsi plant acts as sanjeevani for mankind. It has great medicinal properties. Acts as remarkable antibiotic. Taking tulsi leaves every day in the tea increases immunity. Keeping the tulsi plant in our house prevents the insects and mosquitoes from entering our house. Okay, Mom, I will also pray and thank the tulsi plant every day from now. Thank you. Today you look very fair. Can you share the secret with us? Yes, you look so eager to know. Yes, can you share the secret behind this place? Sure. Let me call my friends Bhagyalakshmi and Hiranya to tell us about the benefits of applying turmeric paste to the skin. Next week we are going to attend your uncle's marriage, so to have nice clothes. I am preparing a natural face pack with turmeric. Oh my God, you mean turmeric is a face pack? I don't like turmeric. Please don't apply that on my face. No, listen Chad, I am going to tell you few benefits of turmeric, which help you to have nice clothes. Turmeric is considered as one body, which kills microbes on the feet and prevents further infection. Thank you.
It is a way of life. Our friends are ready to give small performance related to the nature.
Absolutely invaluable information with us. Today we are sure that you will never criticize our traditions anymore. Science behind every tradition that we follow our elders instructed to do something. But there is science behind every instruction given. So do not take it just being a superstition. But please follow the traditions and see that you also convey this to your friends and other relatives. Friends, what did you learn from this theme? Is found in your daily routine. Thank you. Thanks to Rev Fr Balkumar for giving us this great opportunity for Class-4C to come out with this theme of science in our daily life, significance and realizing you. Thank you, dear Father. Thanks to you, all my lovely audience, for patiently watching our skits. Thank you, everyone.
Our India is a land of rich values, cultures and traditions, and keeping up that tradition and heritage of India is the duty of every one of us. As they have enacted on the stage, most of the things what we do, we think that they are all superstitious. Behind every ritual or tradition that we practice, it has a significance. And that significance was beautifully, thematically presented to us by 4th C students. We sincerely thank the class teacher and also all the boys and girls of 4th C for taking time to bring out the theme on this thematic assembly, science in our daily life.